Mr. Chairman, I just wanted to take a minute to thank Senator Hawley for raising these questions. I think the questions that he is raising are important. I think they're genuine and in good faith, looking to the jurisprudential approach of a nominee to a very important court, and I'm glad he's raising them. As for me personally, I intend to vote to confirm Ms. Rao, and I've considered the concerns Senator Hawley has raised. At the same time, I've considered Ms. Rao's background, both as an administrative law professor and as the head of the Office of Regulatory Approval in OMB. And given the docket and caseload of the D.C. Circuit, I think both her academic and professional background is particularly well suited for the cases that go through the D.C. Circuit. I would note that my assessment might be very different were this a consideration for the U.S. Supreme Court and not for the D.C. Circuit. But I think for the D.C. Circuit, she has a strong background and expertise. I wanted to finally note that in the last few days, there has been a considerable amount of criticism directed at Senator Hawley, which I think was wrong. I think it was arrogant and misinformed. And the idea that people think they can pummel a senator on this committee into keeping his or her mouth shut, I think is a mistake. I also think some of the analysis, there have been not one but two Wall Street Journal editorials blasting Mr. Hawley by name, both of which managed to seriously jumble the legal analysis and not understand the difference between substantive due process and incorporation. And so I just want to commend Mr. Hawley for doing his job and to welcome him to this committee, and I hope he will continue. I know he'll continue to do his job and do it well.